Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to my channel, where we'll be testing our knowledge every week through fun and informative quizzes.
Welcome, guessers! In this new challenge, guess the fruit by emojis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting quizzes and challenges. All right,
Guess the word. Hot dogs. Guess the word.
Japan.
Guess the word.
Pineapple.
Guess the word.
Apple.
Guess the word.
Pakistan.
Guess the word.
Animal.
Guess the word.
Ladyfingers.
Guess the word.
You'll be using in your next quiz video. Subscribe now and let's make your quiz videos stand out. Bullseye.